Do you remember those days where you could easily afford a decent mid-range smartphone without having to break any bank? With 50 to 100k max, you could afford something pretty decent without having to beat yourself or save for too long. But nowadays, even the minimum wage of a country saved in 3 months or even someone's 2-month salary cannot even afford a pre-owned device, which is really sad. Now, this is Tecno Camon 30 Premier selling for 685,000 naira. Could this be Tecno's most expensive smartphone? Well, no, but this is definitely their most expensive in the Camon series. For specs, this device comes with a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, a 12GB of RAM, and 512GB of memory storage. And for the design, it comes in a matted leather finishing and also has an action indicator for recording videos, incoming calls, and when the phone is charging. Now, this indicator cannot be customized, but don't you think Tecno could have allowed us to be able to customize and allow when and when we do not want the indicator to show? I mean, what do you think? This device has an IP54 rating for dust and splash protection, so don't soak your phone inside water. Don't even take it swimming. The device has a 1.5K display resolution with AMOLED display and a 1400 nits for brightness. This device comes with Android 14, and this device comes with a smart hub and a smart panel, that gives you the ability to customize anything you want in your home screen. It also comes with some AI features to enhance the user experience, and this is outside their AI voice assistants being Ella. This device also comes with a text recognition on image when you tap and hold the image with 2 fingers, just like what you usually get on iPhones, and then the AI eraser on image to remove unwanted objects from your images. This device has a Mediatek Dimensity 8200U processor, and from most reviews, the performance isn't bad at all. But not when you put it into game test. The device gets really hot when you give it hefty and Herculean tasks like playing high graphics game on this device. The camera in this device uses a Sony IMX890 sensor, and all around you get a 50 megapixel for the ultra wide camera, the telephoto camera, and the selfie camera. And this device can record up to 4K at 60 frames per second. I mean, not all mid-range Android does that, right? But considering the price you're paying for this device, I think it's totally worth it. For battery, you're getting a 5000 mAh battery capacity that can last you up to 8 hours on intense usage and 24 hours as an average user. But is this enough spec to splash a whooping sum of 685k on? Considering it came with all these specs and Tecno even added an extra earbuds Pro to make up for the non-availability of the wired earphones, or would you rather add a little fee to get a much better performing device, even if it's a pre-owned? Now, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and do well to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And until the next one, bye for now.